All right, Solvang, how are you guys doing out there? We are the Soul Cats, getting ready to start up some great music for you. Come close, come dance, and have some fun with us.
I don't know how y'all like to have fun, but over here at the Soul Cats, celebrating this Solvang, we like to have a funky good time. Melanie over here, I'm
Hey, everybody.
for your vocalist today. Right behind me, we have on the keyboard a Cuda. Let's go. And on his right, we have our guitarist, Tom.
Gonna have a funky good time. We're 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 gonna take you higher.
Oh, yeah, yeah, we're gonna take you high. Corey, the heartbeat. Give us a little taste. Yeah. And we're gonna give a special one. I want y'all to quiet down. Cause today we have a birthday boy in the band.
Yes, birthday boy Miguel, make some noise for the birthday boy.
On bass, Miguel.
Show what you got. We're gonna have a funky good time. 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 We're gonna take you higher.
I see some James Brown fans.
Higher.
It's time to get sexy. Are you ready over there?
We gotta get our horn section.
Hey,
Here it goes, shoes.
G-Mo.